Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is the thinnest, tightest pack that feels like wood packed, but this is going to be a penguin suit. So if I open it up, once it gets air in there, hopefully it'll expand and become human size. Oh wow, I can feel it already. There's no way it would ever make it back into that little bag again. Look at this, it's already getting bigger and bigger. It's kind of cool the way it comes packaged like that. It's really sweet. Okay, and so here it is. It's a big old onesie. I got size extra large. You can see here's the little sticker for extra large. Let me take that off. Otherwise, I'll end up wearing it out for Halloween, and people will know I'm extra large. Okay, and then what do we got in here? We got some more papers, and then here's the zipper here with the tag on it. But let's give this thing a try here. I'm like, where's my hand go? It goes out there. Oh, that is a pocket. Look at this. Wow, this is sweet. Okay. So if you ever go to those like onesie parties or something like that, this would be fun to wear to that. But holy mackerel, I guess I got a big size. I probably should have gotten a large instead of an extra large. But well, no, penguins are big. They do like big size. So this is it here. I can go like that and put my hand inside of it if I want to, or leave my hand out like that. Oh, let's see what this does. And then look at that. There you go. It's probably still expanding, but you can see there's the penguin. I don't know if I zip it up. Maybe you'll hear me. Hopefully it won't be too muffled. But yeah, there you go. So, and it's like a fleece. And it says animal pajamas. So these would be good for pajamas or for Halloween. So let me see if I can get you guys to my full body on this thing here. So you can see the whole thing there. It goes all the way down to my ankles and stuff. Got a little bit of fuzz on me. But look at that, these are really nice. And it's got a good pocket. I could put my phone in there if I'm trick-or-treating or whatever. I wouldn't be trick-or-treating, but if I'm going to a party, I could have this and totally comfortable. I like this, this is cool. I'm a cool penguin. Thumbs up for sure, this is great. Look at this hat, that's awesome. So super cool, I really like it, thumbs up for sure.